I want to tell them thank you plenty.
I just want to tell them thank you.
I will appreciate them.
They thank not for me, but thanks to go to you people. Today you have been released to us just the beginning of my life. I feel so proud of what God to me. I can see the world talk all about her. She still giving me tough time of her dream. If you make up the pastor, I still went to school to help me in that direction. From one stage you want extra class time. See now here. You don't see her from campus straight on there. You don't see her outside there. When you come straight there. You don't want to let this day you go in the boot there to help me in the boot there. So you do always help for me as a daughter. So I'm proud of her and myself. I want to thank you, and I want you to continue your good work.
Thus, God helped me by bringing the school in our community. There was no school here. We used to move from area to area to go to school. Before we reached Angabra, schools are already so. So I just want to tell them thank you.
Because for many years ago, my bigger brothers, now they are not achieved education because no school in this area. But now I get school in my area. I'm going to school freely. Although I'm working for distance, but still I get school. That not cost spending money. So I want to tell them thank you for the hard work, and that's will not be the end.
They should not be tired, because any good you do, God can reward you. God can pay you back. So for that reason, those that put ourselves together to help with the poor, therefore guard them and protect them in the churches. Anything that they carry on in any other countries or in any other country, that God be the leader for them. So I tell them thank you for God to strengthen them. All that dream they have, that it come to pass. Because they're doing it for God, they're not doing it for us. They're doing it for God because we poor, we don't get nothing. See all the years, get it about big billion. Then all the years, the people are not able to support this place. Our children, our kids was sitting. See the quantity of children are going to school here. So when we see them, we're glad, we're satisfied, we're happy for our kids. That through their effort, that through their money, that through their knowledge, make us today, our children are going to school. So we're glad, we tell them thank you. I pray for them that God should nourish them, that God should bless them in all they do. Everywhere they're working, anyone that fight against them, that God fight against that person.